Go.
And today's last topic before Thanksgiving. But I want Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay. When you go to your aunts, your grandmothers, your cousins, baby moms, Thanksgiving dinner, and you see your sexy 18th cousin, your dad's brother's dogs, puppies, shit, part, jizz in the mouth, kid.
Give me that.
And you just see her smash, get on my face. And you just see her smashing on some Thanksgiving turkey. Don't laugh. I've done it before. I went in there and I saw her.
So basically, this is a PSA.
Gravy. I saw this girl put gravy in her coffee mug and to stir it with a And don't think, girls, do not think. Just because you order 18 damn Big Macs and fucking 5 fries and you say, I ordered lettuce with it, you ain't skinny, you ain't healthy. And just because you order like 18 briskets, 5 plates of mashed potatoes, can I get a Diet Pepsi? No, bitch, you know damn well you want a fucking cup of sugar with water. And just because you eat an apple today, it don't mean a doctor's not gonna come. Because if you eat that apple, and then you go suck dick all day, then you come home, you eat another apple, and then you just fat, and you jizz in your mouth.
How the fuck is a bitch gonna beat her dick off from eating the apple and then sucking some dick with eating another apple? That's a nigga, yeah.
Alright, well, girls then, okay? The apple, the
sucking dick.
The sucking dick, and then the apple
back,
again.
And then playing with yourself.
And then you play with yourself, and then you Pizza Hut them fingers. That don't mean that your breath smells good. Brush your damn.
Make sure you use that Listerine.
Oh, hold on. I got a little rapper here. I ain't trying to be mean, but you missing Listerine. Not a sip, not a swallow, need a whole damn bottle.
That is so old.
Lexi. She be coming out of the house. I be like, Nova 6.
Look up.
This nigga, yo.
And
Like that one
just because you fucking shower and your clothes got dog piss all over them, don't mean you clean, hoe. Every time this girl will come to my first period, she come in there reeking like dick. I'll be like, girl, you shower this morning? I shower every morning. Do your clothes shower? No. You are not clean for that. And when girls have greasy, I'm talking McDonald's greasy hair, it's nasty. And when girls be like, she's like a fucking puppy back there. Looking cocky. This shit is weird. Don't scratch your head. If you gotta do it, just like down, bad boy. Just
No,
pat it down.
You gotta pat this shit.
And
I gotta pat my weave all the time.
wasn't funny. And then
Wasn't trying to be funny.
what else am I talking about? Okay. I got it. Okay. When?
The fuck was that?
Pencil. Okay. When you
Move into the light. Come on. It's getting dark. Come on, you fat bitch.
Pinch his nipple.
I'm about to pinch his nipple, but I can't touch no man.
Nothing but slapping at home.
okay. So when you walk into your school class and you see that sexy girl next to the smelly girl, wait out the class. Because this was going to happen. Okay. Jordan, get up real quick.
Why do I gotta get up?
Patient, sit right here. Alyssa, sit right there. Okay. Now y'all can pick which one's a smelly and sexy. That's up to you. We'll give y'all a set.
They're both clean though.
I don't care.
I don't hang out with ratchet bitches.
Alright, so which one do you want to be?
I want to be sexy.
Okay, well,
I don't
luck us at it. Okay. So, Jordan, had the snare set up.
Sometimes I don't care booty loving cup or the fucking smelly bitch.
I hear you
No
go.
matter what. I ain't the good one. No matter what.
So you come into class with your binder, and you see that and that. It's always after class because you gonna walk her to hey. And then she's gonna be all like, do I smell? And then you be like, is that dirty though? And then she's like, you're so rude, so mean, so disrespectful. And then you be like, oh, that bitch. And she's like, well, what if I smell like that? I want y'all to go down that. And then nobody likes them, so you got to walk in that class.
And that is why, my friends, if you're a chick, please shower. Because you don't want to end up like me.
Alright, what's another one?
Oh wait, we're about to stop it.